Hey guys, I was out here working on my little garden. Here's my zucchini squash. I was putting some ashes on that and my tomatoes, and worked really good for them. But I figured I'd give an update on how the beans are going, since I calculated out it's been about a month and 2 weeks. But if you look at them, they're really exploding out. They're just growing. Their vines are growing up. And if you take looks at them, and if you come in here, you can actually see the beans growing. There's some beans right there. There they go. There's all these little flowers that you see everywhere on here are going to become pods. So they've been growing like crazy. Like I said, the key things that I've done with them is said not overwater them. Every single one of them didn't make it, but you don't overwater them. You give them partial shade, and just let them go and do whatever they want to do. Like I said, they're interconnecting. They're trying to keep each other up. Some of them are going on the fence. It doesn't matter. In a few weeks, I feel like I'm going to have a ton of beans and be able to make some stuff. Here's some really big ones way over here on the first ones that I just planted. I leave right there. They're growing. They're little ones, big ones, new ones. They're doing everything. So hopefully, if y'all watch my first video, if you haven't, I'll post that link on the description. You can look at that one first. It's real simple, real easy to do. Kind of kept me going, entertaining. I've done a lot of little things, but this is the one that I've filmed. I've got some red onions here. Like I said, I had some zucchini. I had some tomatoes. I've had some green onions. I've done a lot of little things, but this one, like I said, if you want to check this out, I've got a couple of other videos on there too. Take a look at them, see if you like them, and hopefully you'll subscribe. All right, thanks. Bye.